Today on Mic Attempts, replacing Mazda 6 spark plugs. Mazda recommends spark plug replacement at 75,000 miles for this Mazda 6, so let's get to it. The engine cover is held in place by 4 rubber grommets. Just pull up evenly and it should pop right off. Blow off the top of the engine to avoid getting debris down in the cylinders. Press your thumb down on the top of the coil pack connector and pull back to unplug. Remove the bolts and pull up to remove the coil packs. The last two are partially blocked by some hoses. You can either disconnect them or work around them. The coil packs will still come out without much effort. Now we can see the spark plugs. Standard size spark plug sockets come with a rubber ring inside to hold onto the plug while removing or reinstalling. However, these spark plugs are narrow and take a 9/16 or 14mm socket. Luckily, I had a piece of rubber that held the tip of the spark plug securely while also having a tight fit down inside the socket. The old spark plugs don't look horrible, but the bottom part of the ceramic is pretty dark. These NGK laser Iridium spark plugs are the exact OEM replacement for this Mazda 6. Apply a small amount of anti-seize to the threads, but be sure not to get any on the electrodes. A thin layer of silicone or dielectric grease applied to the white ceramic insulator seals out moisture and helps prevent the coil pack boot from sticking to the plug. Push the new plug down into the socket and screw it in by hand to prevent cross-threading. Finish tightening with a ratchet and repeat the process for the remaining plugs. I like to do them one at a time to keep anything from accidentally falling into the engine. The torque spec for this Mazda 6 is 12 to 14 foot-pounds, but be sure to look it up for your specific vehicle. Reinstall the coil packs. Tighten the bolts. And reconnect the wires. Pop on the cover. Start it up, and you're done. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.